We want to find the derivative of log x with respect to x. To do this, we are going to use the fact that the function e to the x is the inverse of the natural logarithm. What does this mean? This exactly says that e to the log x is equal to x. If we let u equal log x, then this equation is exactly saying that e to the u is equal to x. So now we're going to start with this equation, and we are going to implicitly differentiate. I'm leaving some room here so that I can differentiate both sides with respect to x. The derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. Applying the chain rule, we can find the derivative of the left-hand side, which is equal to the derivative with respect to u of e to the u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Notice that du dx here is the unknown quantity. But we know that the right-hand side is equal to 1, and we can compute this derivative here. The derivative of e to the u with respect to u is e to the u. So this gives us e to the u times du dx is equal to 1. Remember that e to the u is just a fancy way of writing x. So plugging in log x for u, we see that x times the derivative of log x with respect to x is equal to 1. Rearranging, this is the derivative of log x with respect to x is equal to 1 over x. I'm going to go ahead and write that up here and box it. And now we have another function to add to our arsenal of functions that we know how to differentiate.